Asa-Punk. Asa-Punk, he's not radioactive, he's Asa-Punk in 2020. Listen, folks.
A blank counter. For what for? What's going to go here? Aha! Well, this is a hint. A sword's going to go here. Now, why would I put a sword on the kitchen counter? Well, it is partly to show you that you can see a little bit of dirt there from the bamboo grove today. And if you look closely at this edge, if you can focus on that, see there really isn't any damage on that edge. Yeah, and I was cutting at, the place I was cutting at on the blade was right about here, which feels like it's dulled slightly. Well, maybe not. Feels a little duller in one direction than the other, so it may need some stropping of sorts, which I don't have a strop right now, but it doesn't feel like it's lost the edge so much, it's just rolled a bit. But you saw how hard the bamboo was I was hitting, so I'm pretty impressed with that for what this is. But I wiped the blade afterwards, as I usually do. But there's still some bits of dirt on it. You can see kind of there's some yucky right about there. So, what I am going to do is just give a quick showdown of my favorite method of cleaning a blade. Using, preferably not bathroom tissue, but that's what I have today. And rubbing alcohol. Aha, there. Okay, so basically, just take it and run it down the blade, yeah? Oh, right, and then we can already see it's actually cleaner than I thought it was. Then be careful not to get your fingers too far in when you pinch this, but pinch along the flats, kind of just drag it along, right? And aha, that's what I thought. Let me show you this real quick. See that black on there? It's not as much as it was before I wiped it the first time, but it is some of the leftover residual. Now I did wipe it.
So I'll just take my Viking sword flesh gnar here and run it up the blade. And in doing so, you will see there is, look at that, quite a bit of gunk.
Unless you just kind of run it up the blade and you see the gunk comes off. So that is my cleaning method. Sometimes also, I did show the other sword earlier. I don't know if I'm going to get this one's edge because this is a forward camera with less resolution, but let's see here. As we get to where I was cutting, which is right about here, there's absolutely no problem with that. This sword, like I said, I've cut dry bamboo, hit thin frying pans, small pine saplings and stuff, and this blade has never really had a problem keeping an edge. So,
yeah, it held up the day I was cutting, but today I'm tired and I've been sleeping a lot. I don't feel like editing much. That's why this video has very little in it. Good night.
You suck. I'll kill you, punk.